So, you've heard about Handshake AI Fellowship. The promise is simple: work from home, train AI models, and earn up to $100 per hour. But is it real or just another scam? Let's break it down. Handshake AI Fellowship is a paid program run by Handshake, the job platform for college students. They hire students and recent grads with bachelor's, master's, or PhD degrees to help train large language models. No AI background needed, just your knowledge in fields like math, science, or engineering. You apply through their website, and if accepted, you'll train for about 2 to 5 hours. Then you start working on real projects. Pay ranges from $40 to $100 per hour, depending on your education level and the task. Work is remote, flexible, and you set your own schedule. Most people work 5 to 20 hours per week. The pay is solid and consistent. They tell you the rate upfront, and it doesn't change mid-project. You get paid through Deal, a legit payment platform. Fellows report good communication and fair treatment, plus you gain AI experience which looks great on your resume. Not everyone gets accepted though. It's competitive and they pick people based on their field and expertise. Some tasks take longer than expected, but you're only paid for actual work time. Also, technical issues on your end aren't covered. And if you break the rules like using AI tools to do the work, you can get kicked out. So, is Handshake AI legit? Yes, it's a real company, real pay, and real opportunities. Not a scam, but it's not easy money either. You need the right qualifications and be willing to put in quality work. If you're a student or a grad with expertise in a specific field, it's worth applying. Be sure to check their website out if you're interested, and I'll see you in the next video.